And here we are. I am going to pick up right where we left off in the previous stream. We were working on the update check for Bugzilla and getting it to adding a feature to it so it'll tell you if you're once an end date for security support for a given branch has been decided. It'll inform you on the update check that your security support is about to run out, instead of waiting until it actually runs out, which is what it does now. Let's see, I need to get back to the screen share. In case you haven't been watching the other videos, my name is Dave Miller. I'm the project lead for Bugzilla Project, which is a bug tracking system to track your bugs in your software products. Okay. No. I go clicking with the wrong mouse. I click on the controls for the stream instead of the what I'm looking at here. So anyway, here's what we get right now. And it's so that means our cached copy is still in there because it's still telling me about 5041, which doesn't exist on the production server. I think it checks once a day online and then caches it offline, and so I just edited the cache file to make it look like there's something there so it shows up to test it. And this version is not going to be deprecated, but we're going to make it look like it is just to try it. We basically need to copy all of this. And drop it up here. Because what we discovered at the end of the last stream is that if you have it set for latest stable release, it won't tell you about anything about your current release being outdated. It'll only tell you that the what makes my stream lag, changing back and forth on all the screens too quickly. So yeah, we discovered that the update check, if you had it set to test for latest stable instead of current branch stable, that it would not tell you if your branch was deprecated or unsupported. It would only tell you about the new version. And so that's what we're wanting to get it, so that it also tells you, even if you're checking for latest stable, that it's going to tell you that the one you're running is outdated. So we're going to parameters, general, that's all the way at the bottom. Let's see, now we're set for latest stable, but if I go back to stable branch, which is going to look at the current release, now we get the one saying no longer receiving security updates. But that's a lie, by the way, what you're reading on the screen. 504 is going to last a lot longer than that. So this is just throwing crazy dates and numbers at it to get the thing to show up so we can test it out. But this top half here, basically I've got it set up so that the update file from the update server is telling us that the branch that we're looking at is going to be deprecated soon. So it's going to be end of life soon. And when I had it set for, this is set for current branch stable release, so it gives you the latest release on the branch that you're already using. By the way, you only see that message when you're logged in as an administrator, which I think it's set at the bottom of the message. So if we go back to latest stable, well, thank you for following.
Just followed on Twitch.
Well, thank you for the follow. General scroll bottom. We did. Oh, I already set it back latest stable. I just got to go home again. So we're not getting that message. So here's the code I just copied. And we are looking for the branch that we're currently on. And then we're going to check whether it's closed or end of service. And if it is, then we're going to let's see, status stable. This is latest stable release, which is, yeah, that's still what we want to do. Because if we were set for current branch stable, it's still going to recommend the next stable if you're out of date. Okay. So basically all this stuff just needs to stay the same. And then this last one is the one thing that's different. Because this is what was there before by itself. If we get here, then we want to recommend latest stable release without any other messages. Because the code above here actually returns if it hits one of those conditions. Okay. So let's see what happens now. There we go. That's all it took. That wasn't too hard. Now the trick is going to be pushing that back to the we're going to need additional commits. So and if you're tracking development releases will never be unsupported. There'll always be a newer developer release. So we don't need to worry about that one. I gotta spell that right. Okay, and then we're going to push to the laptop because that's where I can't push to GitHub from here. Oh, I didn't do that one here yet. Okay. Oh, because the branch is checked out and has local changes. Okay. Oh, that specific branch is checked out. There we go. As long as I don't have that branch checked out, it'll work. 1852154. There we go. One commit to push. Okay, I need that number. What we do in the tracking of how did that happen? Oh. I did push already, didn't I? Yes, I did. Okay. There's the 504 patch. That's what I was looking for. Oh, I was trying to pull from the laptop. I need to get the key on the laptop. SSH key, so it's not prompting me for a password. Oh, new stuff from BMO. Woohoo. But I just suck in all the other branches. That's what I get for doing a pull all. Okay. One file changed, no changes. Okay. Now I can't commit that as is because there's one thing in there that we hacked for the 504 branch that we do not want on 4.4, which is that right there, the branch version. We have code down here for this, where it computes it automatically. 504 branch is weird, so we just overrode it. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta paste the other one in first, and then we can delete that one. Otherwise I lose my copy buffer. Okay. And this still has our hack in there. Yes, it does. Oops. So got to be logged in to see it because you got to be an admin. And there it is. Now, which track or which update track is this one on? That's the question. And latest stable should still give me the same message. Yep. Because we have the update file tagged to make it look like it's end of life coming up. Okay. And again, every time I look at the screen, I'm telling you watching this video, these dates are fake. This is just data I threw in there to make it show the message to me. Okay. Let's grab the commit message we used before. There it is. Okay. I got 2 commits to push. this is what it'll tell me. Did I push that to the wrong branch? Oh, because I cherry picked, that's right. So we got the original commit that was cherry picked and then the changes to it to make it work on this branch. It's a separate commit. Got it. Let's fix that. I don't want to push both of those. Fix up. There we go. Now we push. And where's our pull release? I forgot to check for tabs again, didn't I? And we got some. Keep putting the P in the space swapped somehow. Hyphens are a thing. Did it there too. That was the only one, okay. That'll fix that. Oops, 4. Shift width is what SW is. And then TS is the tab stops. Okay. That should fix that problem going forward. Test still running. Oh, and we had the new pull request thing. We didn't actually submit it yet. Okay. Okay. Test passed, yay. Okay. We should have a second pull request. Yay. Three branches to go. I don't think we need to on the developer release because it's just a developer release. So we need 5.2 and 6.0. Wait a minute, 1.660. That's not this bug. I don't have a branch for that bug yet. So we don't need that one. Okay. And we pulled in those other two patches. So now we want to check out, make a new branch. Five two one five four 5.2. We'll cherry pick pull a branch. Merge maybe? No, merge would screw it up. Yeah, I need to commit numbers. We're going to pull the ones from 4.4. Oh, we only need two of them. Okay. Oops. Yeah, we missed the one patch. I guess we lost the upstream too when we did that. Not currently on a branch. That one. Oh, oops. Try this again. Crazy things we do with Git. Okay. Do it this way. My local branch is just hosed, so we'll just pull upstream straight again. Mesh multiple remote tracking branches. Okay. Why does it do this to me? I don't want to be detached head. I want to actually be on the branch. Do I have to name it? Dash ink taste. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we got the right commits. So I want this one. Merge conflicts on this branch. Oh, I bet it's spacing. Indentation's different on 5.2. Okay, guess we're not going to pull it that easily.